Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove repost on TikTok profile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and click on profile in the right bottom. And here you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy and click on privacy, but you can see there is no option to remove repost, so you simply need to go on to the repost tab from here. So this is the repost tab, and let's suppose I want to remove this video. You simply need to click on that and click on the share icon, and here you can see an option of remove repost. Click on that, and let me show you now this video is removed from my repost tab. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.